Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use eye contact correction feature on Capcut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to open up the project I have just created on Capcut. Wait. Okay, this is my project. I'm going to open it, and basically guys, we can apply eye contact correction feature to a photo or a video. It works on both of them. So here I'm going to apply it to a photo and a video, and as you can see, I have edited my video and my photo as well. And the first one, I'm going to apply the eye contact correction feature to this video. But wait, let me cut the video to make the process faster. Okay. And before I apply the eye contact correction feature to my video, let me explain about how this feature works. So guys, basically we can use this feature to make ourselves looks like we're looking at the camera. And as you can see, that this girl is not looking at the camera, and I'm going to make this girl looks like she's looking at the camera. Okay, I'm going to tap on this video and we're going to scroll all the way to the right until we find the eye contact feature. Okay, we can use it for free guys, and we can click on this toggle button to activate this eye contact feature. Okay, and you can see the different, right? Okay, I'm going to show you the before and after. This is after I apply the eye contact correction feature, and this is before I apply this feature. Oops, sorry. All right, and then the second one, I'm going to apply it to my photo. I'm gonna tap on that and go to the eye contact correction feature and activate it. Okay, now the girl in this photo is looking at the camera, but I know that the result is not that perfect. But again, this feature will be useful if you are reading a script, so you're not looking at the camera, and this feature will allow you to make you looking at the camera. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use eye contact correction feature in Capcut mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.